Solana's market performance has been increasingly optimistic, particularly with its sustained position above the critical $80 support level. This stability has laid the groundwork for the bulls, who appear poised to orchestrate a robust upward movement, potentially propelling Solana towards the notable resistance levels of $140 and $150 in the near future. Such a bullish momentum would not only signify a remarkable recovery but also establish a new precedent for Solana's market resilience and investor confidence. Over the recent weeks, Solana has exhibited a consistent upward trajectory, initially taking root from the $50 pivot level, which served as a crucial turning point for its market valuation. The bullish forces have been instrumental in navigating Solana past several key resistance barriers, first surpassing the $80 mark, and then making significant strides beyond the 50-week simple moving average. This momentum was further amplified as Solana breached the $100 resistance threshold, venturing into the $125 territory, a move that underscored the growing investor enthusiasm and market strength of Solana. A notable peak was reached with Solana setting a new multi-week high at approximately $126.66, showcasing the potential for even greater market achievements. However, akin to the broader market trends often mirrored by Bitcoin's movements, Solana experienced a phase of downside correction. This correction saw Solana retracting below the $100 support level, with the bears exerting pressure to push the price beneath the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level, which spanned from a swing low of $17.36 to the peak at $126.66. Despite these downward pressures, Solana displayed remarkable resilience, particularly when the price momentarily dipped below the $92 support area. The bulls, undeterred by these fluctuations, demonstrated their strength and commitment by maintaining Solana's valuation well above the $80 support zone. Currently, Solana is in a phase of consolidating its gains, strategically positioned above the $80 support, indicating a potential setup for future upward movements and further solidifying its stance in the cryptocurrency market. On the weekly chart, there appears to be a formation indicative of a bullish continuation pattern, with a critical resistance point identified at $106. This suggests that Solana may experience a period of sideways trading within a specified range as market participants anticipate the next significant price movement. Should the bulls manage to exert sufficient upward pressure to breach the $106 resistance level, it's plausible to expect a rapid ascent towards the $126 zone, a development that would underscore the strength and momentum behind Solana's current market dynamics. Looking further ahead, the $140 mark emerges as the subsequent milestone that bullish forces could aim to conquer. Surpassing this level could potentially open the path for Solana's price to escalate towards the $150 resistance level. Achieving this would not only represent a notable accomplishment for Solana, but could also set the stage for an ambitious push towards the elusive $200 price point, a scenario that would significantly bolster Solana's market presence and valuation. On the fundamental front, the Solana ecosystem is witnessing a remarkable phase of expansion and adoption. A noteworthy highlight is the surge in mobile pre-orders for Solana, which have impressively surpassed the 60,000 mark and continue to rise. This burgeoning interest in Solana Mobile Saga is a positive indicator of the platform's growing appeal and potential to reach the significant milestone of 100,000 pre-orders in the near term. However, it's imperative to acknowledge the potential challenges that may impede Solana's upward trajectory. There's a possibility that the Solana's price might encounter difficulties in sustaining its climb and could see an extension of its recent pullback. Immediate support for Solana is found near the triangle zone at $85, a crucial area that could determine the short-term direction of Solana's price movement. Additionally, the first major support level is established at $80, serving as a foundational base that could potentially cushion any further declines and provide a rebound platform for Solana's price. In the current market landscape, a critical support structure for Solana is beginning to take shape around the $72 price point. This level is increasingly significant, as a weekly closure below this support threshold could serve as a bearish indicator, potentially signifying the formation of a local peak in Solana's price trajectory. Should such a downturn materialize, it could precipitate a notable retracement in Solana's value, potentially dragging the price down to the $50 level, or leading it to seek support at the 50-week simple moving average, a key technical indicator that traders often rely on to gauge long-term market trends. At present, Solana's price appears to be in a phase of consolidation, maintaining stability above the established support levels at $80 and $72. This consolidation phase is crucial as it could set the stage for future price movements. In a scenario where bullish momentum gathers sufficient strength to propel Solana's price beyond the $106 resistance mark, the market could witness a significant uptrend, potentially resulting in a 50% increase in Solana's valuation, pushing it towards the ambitious $140 level. Such a bullish breakout would underscore the robustness of buyer interest and could catalyze further upward movements in Solana's market valuation. Conversely, in the absence of sufficient bullish momentum to breach the $106 resistance, Solana may be poised for a corrective phase in the near term. This potential downside correction could see Solana's price revisiting lower support levels, particularly at $80 or $72 in the forthcoming weeks. Such a retracement would not be uncommon in the volatile landscape of cryptocurrency markets and could offer strategic entry points for investors looking to capitalize on Solana's long-term growth prospects. As the market continues to navigate these pivotal support and resistance levels, the forthcoming price action of Solana will be closely monitored by investors and analysts alike, keen to decipher the future direction of this dynamic cryptocurrency.